Hey, what is up, guys? Surprise, I'm laid off. This is not a regular scheduled video, as you guys can tell. We posted on our channel, Austin and Kayla, a little bit ago about the meetup we're going to have this Thursday, August 23rd. But I wanted to put a video on my channel so those of you who do not follow us on our family channel would know about it. We are having a meetup. We've talked about this meetup for, I don't know, a long time now. We were going to do it before I left home, I think. But anyway, with the way this pipeline schedule works and short notice of everything, this is the only way we come to plan it, with the short notice and everything. So anyway, if you guys are interested in meeting up with me and Kayla in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, this Thursday, August 23rd, 2018, email Kayla at industrialtradition@gmail.com. And she will, in the subject, in the subject, put meetup. That way she knows, she can kind of get a head count on how many people are going to be there and things like that. We're going to have pizza. We have no idea how many people to expect, but we want to meet you guys, and we want you guys to be able to meet other people in the local areas to help with your contacts and networking. So just a fun little event to meet some of you guys, and so you guys can meet each other. So email Kayla at industrialtradition@gmail.com. In the subject, put meetup, and maybe we'll see you guys Thursday. Looking forward to it. Thanks for watching.